Yes, ma'am.
Yung question mo, sir, is will there be a additional treatment ng tax if, for example, we will have tourism taxes? Yun yung question mo. In my opinion, for example, yung sa certain city, for example, mentioned sir, we will have this tourism tax. I think hindi naman siya mag-conflict doon sa existing provisions natin because you will have to define and you have to qualify what this imposition are for. For example, kasi iba is regulatory sa tourism. So for example, dito I would give an example. For example, sa Sama, we pay a certain type of tax for the environmental concerns. So for tourism tax, we could add a clause or a language there na yung imposition ng tax is this. So if the specific purpose is different, then there's no more inconsistencies with the existing provisions sa current draft. And that's my opinion. Anong madagdag?
Tama po yung sinabi ko. Wala tayong makitang conflict doon sa based on the imposition. So magdagdag lang tayo ng panibago sa panibagong term